Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here with our YFMT summer math course preview. So SAT math course, that is. So our unit 6 is on linear systems. We have a level 3, which is the hardest of problems. And we're trying to find the value of p that would give us no solution. Now, these problems are great for sliders if we have multiple choice, because then we can make p those four values and see which gives us a set of parallel lines. But that, to me, is not the best way to do this necessarily. You might be able to pick p, but you don't really have values to pick from, so you could be doing a lot of guessing and checking. So I'm going to offer an alternative to that, the more algebraic way. So we do know if we did it using Desmos, we would know our answer when we have parallel lines. Well, parallel lines have the same slope. So I'm going to get each of these, since they're kind of close to slope-intercept form, I'm going to get them each in slope-intercept form just by doing a little bit of algebra. So I'm going to distribute appropriately here. So this becomes positive 10 minus 2x. I'm going to do a little bit of a shortcut. This one is, if I distribute, I get 2p minus px plus 6x. Now, I could go a step further and simplify each of these, but I'm not. I'm going to say this. All right, I know that I want them to have the same slope. The slope is going to be the coefficient of x, right? Y equals mx plus b. The coefficient of x is the slope. Well, instead of combining these, I'm just going to look at, well, what would it be? 3x minus 2x is 1x. So I want the slope to be 1. So the slope of this is clearly 1. Here, the slope is going to be, when I, again, combine the x's, I'll get a negative p plus 6. And if I do that, I know the slope of this has to equal the slope of this so that we have a pair of parallel lines. Now I can solve this pretty easily. Add the p over, subtract the 1, and I get p equals 5, and then that just is our answer. All right, so if you could skip some algebraic steps. Now, if that's really hard for you, then don't do that. The trade-off is not worth it. But if you can, think about little ways where you could say, okay, I'm going to do the first algebraic step, and now I'm going to, instead of actually combining these and writing 1x, I'm just going to take the 1 from it, because that's what I really want. Instead, I mean, these you can't combine. So this one you have to just know that it would be negative p plus 6 would give you the coefficient of x. All right, and then setting them equal to each other, you get p equals 5. All right, hope that helped.